Every global export begins here, in the controlled environment of the parent breeder facility.
Automated collection systems minimize human contact, maintaining the highest levels of biosecurity. Only the most perfect, fertile eggs proceed to the next stage of the industrial journey.
Precision breeding ensures the genetic integrity and health of the world's largest chicken population.
Strict sanitization protocols are the first line of defense against external pathogens.
Automation allows for a scale of production that manual labor simply cannot match.
The hatchery is the heart of the facility, where nature meets advanced climate engineering.
Every second of the 21-day incubation period is monitored by AI to ensure optimal embryo development. Mimicking the natural movement of the hen, the machines turn the eggs every hour to prevent adhesion.
Non-viable eggs are removed instantly, ensuring only the strongest chicks continue the process. On day 18, the environment is adjusted to prepare the embryos for their transition into the world.
Humidity levels are increased, softening the shells to assist the hatching process.
After 21 days of precision care, the first signs of life emerge simultaneously across millions of eggs.
The scale of a modern hatchery is breathtaking, with thousands of chicks born every hour.
Gentle mechanical separation ensures the chicks are moved quickly and safely away from the waste material.
Highly skilled specialists sort through thousands of birds, maintaining the strict ratio required for global export. Every bird receives a precise dose of protection, ensuring a healthy start to their growth cycle.
With Phase 1 complete, the newly born flock is ready for their journey to the specialized growing facility. Specially designed fleets maintain the precise climate required to transport the flock to the growing facility. Every shipment is sealed and tracked to maintain the integrity of the biosecure chain. Timing is critical. The journey to the grow-out farms must be completed within a strict window. Modern logistics networks ensure that millions of birds are moved across the country with zero loss.
Gentle handling at this stage is vital to reduce stress and ensure the flock's health.
The grow-out facility is prepared weeks in advance to welcome the new arrivals.
The environment is a perfect replica of a mother hen's warmth, maintained by precision heating systems. Nutrition is tailored to each stage of growth, delivered through a fully automated distribution network. As the birds grow, the infrastructure adjusts with them, ensuring easy access to clean, filtered water. In just 1 week, the birds double in size, fueled by a high-protein, scientifically formulated diet. Advanced air scrubbing and ventilation systems maintain a pristine atmosphere, regardless of the weather outside. Data-driven farming allows for real-time adjustments to ensure the highest welfare standards. Strict biosecurity prevents the entry of pathogens, protecting the millions of birds on site. The facility is a self-sustaining ecosystem, with resources managed through a seamless supply chain.
Reaching full maturity in just 5 weeks, the flock is now ready for the final processing stage.
State-of-the-art harvesting technology ensures the birds are handled with minimal stress. Precision stacking maximizes efficiency, preparing for the high-volume intake at the central processing plant. Security and traceability are paramount from the moment the harvest reaches the facility gates. Precision weighing ensures accurate data for the high-volume logistics ahead. The intake bay is the first transition into a strictly controlled, sterile environment. Overhead automation speeds up the intake process, moving thousands of birds per minute. Lighting science is used to maintain bird welfare, even in the highest stages of industrial throughput. Total sanitation ensures that no cross-contamination occurs between the factory and the farms.
The transition to the processing line is seamless, designed for maximum efficiency and care. Modern atmosphere control ensures a humane and stress-free process before the first stage of production.
Skilled hands and high-speed rails form the backbone of the primary processing chain.
Hot water immersion prepares the skin for the removal of feathers in the next stage. Centrifugal force and specialized rubber components achieve a perfectly clean finish in seconds. Nothing is wasted. Every byproduct is reclaimed for secondary industrial uses. A flash of heat ensures a perfectly smooth skin texture for premium export quality.
Sanitation is a continuous process, occurring at every substage of the line.
Computer vision grades the product instantly, directing the workflow with mathematical precision. Specialized cuts are made with surgical accuracy by high-speed automated blades.
Global demand for every part of the bird drives the facility's diverse production lines. We now enter the core of the facility, where the transformation from farm to food truly begins. The evisceration hall is a masterpiece of modern mechanical engineering. Automated precision ensures clean cuts, maintaining the highest standards of food safety. Each bird is processed alongside its own internal components for individual health verification.
Strict oversight ensures that only 100% healthy birds proceed into the global food chain.
High-value organs are harvested and chilled separately for specialized packaging. Even the most complex organs are cleaned using specialized, high-speed machinery.
Multiple stages of vacuuming and washing ensure the internal cavity is perfectly pristine.
Every cut is calculated to maximize yield and maintain product consistency. Human intuition provides the final layer of security in an automated world. Rapidly dropping the temperature is the most critical step in preventing bacterial growth.
Air chilling, rather than water chilling, preserves the natural flavor and texture of the chicken.
90 minutes in the cold ensures the core temperature is perfect for the processing to follow.
The birds are now ready for the most complex stage of the factory, precision transformation. Sorting by weight allows the factory to meet specific customer orders with zero waste. Intelligent buffering ensures a constant, steady flow to the specialized deboning teams. Between every batch, the environment is reset to a state of clinical cleanliness.
We now enter the core processing stage, where precision becomes the ultimate goal.
Manual precision at the start of the core line ensures the highest yield for premium breast fillets. High-speed mechanical halving prepares the product for specialized secondary processing.
The distribution rail is the brain of the factory, routing product based on global market demand. Every piece is perfectly positioned by AI-driven robotics to ensure consistent mechanical cuts.
Precision disc blades ensure clean joints, ready for the world's most demanding snack markets. Standardizing wing sizes is essential for the automated cooking processes used by global food chains.
Vacuum-assisted skinning maintains the aesthetic integrity of the meat while maximizing speed.
Removing the wishbone is a critical step in producing the boneless products favored by international consumers.
Mechanical scraping mimics the touch of a master butcher, but at a scale of thousands per hour.
The tenderloin, the most delicate part of the bird, is harvested by hand to ensure its premium value.
The dark meat processing requires its own specialized line to handle the higher bone density and fat content.
Even at high speeds, every cut is monitored for anatomical accuracy.
Using sensors to find the joint ensures that no bone fragments remain in the final product. Industrial deboning technology allows for the mass production of boneless dark meat with minimal waste.
The final human touch ensures that the product meets the strict specifications of global retail brands. Sustainability is built into the process, ensuring every ounce of the harvest is utilized.
Bones are repurposed into high-calcium meals, completing the zero-waste industrial cycle. The core processing is complete. Now, the product enters the transformation stage for final consumer use.
We move now to the transformation stage, where raw product becomes retail-ready food.
Precision slicing ensures that every cutlet meets the exact weight and thickness for global retail standards.
Uniformity is the key to consistent cooking times in the modern commercial kitchen.
Vacuum tumbling accelerates the infusion of flavor, ensuring a succulent product after processing. Automated injection provides a consistent moisture profile for premium-grade rotisserie products.
A perfect primary coating is the foundation of the world's most popular breaded chicken products. Vibratory application ensures a 360-degree coating without the need for manual handling.
Flash frying for exactly 60 seconds locks in the coating while keeping the interior raw for the final customer.
Controlled atmosphere cooking guarantees a safe, fully cooked product that remains tender and juicy. Flash freezing at ultra-low temperatures prevents ice crystal formation, preserving the cellular integrity of the meat.
Individual separation is critical for the convenience of bulk packaged frozen exports.
Optical sensors make split-second decisions to maintain a flawless aesthetic for the brand.
High-torque grinding converts protein trim into the base for a wide variety of secondary products. High-speed extrusion technology can produce miles of consistent sausage links every single shift.
Proprietary spice blends are the signature of the rebrand, consistent across every global market.
Natural smoking processes add depth of flavor and extend the shelf life of the final export. Individual portioning prepares the product for the high-speed packaging systems ahead. Safety is non-negotiable. Every gram of product is scanned for contaminants before it leaves the hall.
The product is ready. Now, the facility's high-tech automation takes over the final journey.
In the AutoZone, human touch is replaced by the relentless precision of high-speed robotics.
Executing 3 movements per second, these systems ensure the line never slows down.
Complex algorithms calculate the perfect combination of pieces to guarantee weight accuracy for the consumer. Light and water are used as surgical tools to eliminate waste and maximize yield.
Consistency begins with the packaging, synchronized perfectly with the product flow.
By altering the atmosphere, we naturally extend the shelf life of the product for global transit. A hermetic seal is the final barrier protecting the product's integrity.
Seeing through the packaging, X-ray technology ensures that nothing but pure protein reaches the box.
Our systems are designed to be ruthless. There is no room for error in the global market.
Automation handles the heavy lifting, packing thousands of cases per hour with tireless efficiency.
Driverless logistics move the product through the facility without a single human hand.
Routing is handled by the central brain, ensuring every order is filled in real time.
Secure packaging is the first line of defense against the rigors of international shipping.
Full traceability is encoded onto every box, linking the product back to its farm of origin. Structural integrity is calculated by the robot to ensure the pallet survives the voyage across the ocean.
A cocoon of industrial film locks the cargo down, ready for the most turbulent journeys. The digital twin of the product is now live, tracked by satellite from this moment forward. Before the world eats, our precision teams must give the final word. Precision is the final step in elevating a raw product to a premium export.
The highest grade cuts undergo a final manual refinement for elite retail markets.
Advanced optics ensure that every package contains the exact weight promised to the consumer. Value-added processing combines culinary artistry with industrial-scale repeatability.
Visual appeal is as important as flavor for the global premium market.
Trussing ensures even cook.
Diverse preparation styles cater to the unique culinary traditions of every continent.
Global logistics are integrated into the very heartbeat of the production line.
Skin packaging provides an airtight barrier that preserves the fresh butchered look for weeks.
Every pack is individually identified, ensuring total transparency for the end user.
Real-time data integration allows for 100% accuracy in retail-ready pricing.
Even with total automation, the human eye remains the ultimate judge of quality.
Secondary packaging adds another layer of protection for the long-haul export journey.
The convergence of lines marks the end of the production phase and the start of the validation phase.
Batch validation ensures that every single piece of meat can be traced back to its specific farm and feedlot.
Maintaining a constant cold chain environment is non-negotiable for food safety.
A final blast of light ensures the packaging is as sterile as the product inside.
We now enter the final safeguard, Phase 9, where science meets the production line.
In the lab, every batch undergoes rigorous scientific scrutiny to ensure international safety compliance.
Daily microbiological testing detects even the most minute traces of bacteria, maintaining a sterile supply chain.
Molecular separation allows our scientists to analyze the product at a cellular level.
We verify the genetic purity and muscle density that gives the chicken its world-renowned texture.
Advanced genomic tracking guarantees the authenticity of every bird exported under the brand. Precision instruments quantify tenderness, ensuring the product meets the exact specifications of five-star kitchens.
Visual consistency is measured mathematically to provide a uniform product for global retail displays.
The cold chain is never broken. Temperature audits are performed every 30 minutes without exception.
Nutritional transparency is key, providing export partners with verified data on every shipment.
Culinary experts perform final sensory checks to ensure the product performs perfectly in a kitchen environment.
We test the limits of our packaging to ensure it remains airtight during high-altitude air freight.
Redundancy in safety protocols is why our facility maintains a 100% safety record.
We simulate the toughest shipping routes on Earth to guarantee the freshness of our exports.
Only when every metric is perfected is the batch authorized for global distribution.
Validation complete. The world's largest chicken harvest is now cleared for export.
The Gold Seal is our promise of excellence to our partners in over 100 countries.
From the precision of the lab, we move to the final stage: packaging, storage, and global dispatch. The final journey begins here, where the harvest is prepared for the world.
The finished product enters the final logistics hub, a temperature-controlled environment kept at a constant -2 degrees.
Vertical space is maximized to manage the output of the world's largest processing volume.
Inventory is managed by AI, ensuring that every box follows a strict first-in, first-out rotation.
Orders are retrieved with mathematical precision to meet the exact shipping schedules of global freight.
Every market has unique requirements, and our systems adapt in real time to ensure full compliance.
Final verification is the last barrier before the product begins its journey across the globe. Our cold chain continues directly into the specialized reefer units that will carry the cargo over land and sea. Safety and stability are ensured by heavy-duty bridge systems designed for high-frequency loading. Precision loading maximizes the use of space and ensures proper airflow during transit. Structural integrity within the container is vital for the thousands of miles of travel ahead. Physical security measures completion our digital tracking to ensure zero product loss.
Once sealed, the environment remains untouched until it reaches the destination port.
Day and night, the flow of product never stops, feeding a global population. This is the pinnacle of modern food engineering and logistical mastery. Efficiency at this scale requires the perfect harmony of human skill and robotic precision.
From local farms to global tables, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce Factory Systems Pro from start to finish.
The world's largest Factory Systems Pro factory, an industrial marvel of the modern age.